On to some breaking news coming in amid the ongoing threat posed by the new COVID strain in United Kingdom. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has urged for all flights from United Kingdom to be banned. He says, and I quote, "New mutation of coronavirus has emerged in United Kingdom, which is a super spreader. I urge central government to ban all flights from United Kingdom immediately." Meanwhile, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has also tweeted that the new strain of coronavirus emerging in the United Kingdom is a matter of great concern. The government of India must take prompt action, prepare a contingency plan to contain the same, and also immediately ban all flights from United Kingdom and other European countries. Several political reactions coming in. And Shivani, my colleague, tracking the latest as far as that important meeting in the Health Ministry, a meeting on the threat posed by the new COVID strain in the national capital. Shivani, the possible reason why there is a panic now in India is because United Kingdom itself is saying that this new COVID strain is 70% more transmittable, and that's exactly why there needs to be a great concern, and all countries must in fact look at it very, very carefully.
Exactly, Christine. We are already getting the political reactions as we've seen how Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi CM, has tweeted and demanded that all the flights coming from UK should be banned to India. And same, Ashok Gehlot has also demanded. Meanwhile, the Indian government is already on an alert on this whole issue after the warnings came in from United Kingdom. And in India, here in Delhi, at the Health Ministry, a high-level meeting, an urgent meeting was called yesterday, and today the meeting is already on. The meeting started around 2 hours back, and it is still on. The DG Health Services, he's chairing the meeting, and the Health Minister has been monitoring the whole situation. And with him, we also have the WHO's India representative, Dr. Ofrin. Let me also show you the building shots where the meeting is still going on. It's a very important and a crucial meeting because as the warnings have come in about the new mutant of the coronavirus, the new strain, which is quite dangerous because it's 70% more. It has a spread power of infection, and that is why now the recommendations from this meeting will come out. The suggestions will be taken from the experts. There are a number of scientists here in the meeting, and epidemiologists are there, and people from different scientific organizations are also attending the meeting, and everybody is reviewing that if by any chance people have traveled from UK to India, what all can be done, what all preventive measures can be taken, and how it can be taken ahead with the authorities. Maybe the recommendations can come that DGCA may be demanded to look into the matter and ban the flights from United Kingdom. But before that, the government is already on an alert. The meeting is going on. Experts of the high level are taking all this into cognizance, and they are also looking for measures how the mutant of this new coronavirus mutant can be prevented from infecting more people, if at all it has reached India. Back to you.